We've got Cayman from S&B in the house today, guys. Thank you so much for coming out, Cayman. Guys, today we are talking about the differences between dry filters and oiled filters, one of the most asked questions we get. Cayman, tell me the differences.
It is one of the most asked questions we get as well. But to start, when you buy an intake kit from Diesel Power Products, you have the option to choose between an oiled or a dry kit. So that will come with either a dry filter or come with an oil filter. It'll already come in the kit, but that doesn't mean you're held to having an oiled filter for the life of that intake kit. They are interchangeable, meaning they're the exact same shape, exact same flange, everything. So you can swap between a dry and an oiled if one day you choose to switch to a dry filter. The difference is they're both gonna have the same kind of airflow, same kind of efficiency. Now, really the big difference is, do you wanna service your filter? So with our oiled filters, you clean them out and you wash them with our S&B oiling kit. So the oiling kit tells you exactly how much oil to put back on the filter. Because for this filter, it's really important to put the right amount of oil on, because that's what protects your engine with an oiled filter. The oil is what catches all the dirt. And so if you don't have enough oil on the filter, dirt will get right by and right on through. And if you have too much, it could get pulled in and onto your MAF sensor. So our oiling kit allows you to put the right amount of filter on, so you never have to worry about putting too much or too little oil on the filter. For the dry filter, most of the guys in dusty climates will use the dry filter because it's real easy to blow out from the inside out with compressed air and continue to use the filter. Eventually, you will have to throw this filter away. It's not a lifetime filter, but you can blow it out with compressed air a few times and continue to use it.
So as you guys can see, you guys have options. If you're living in a drier climate, you can go with a dry filter. It's easier to service, or you can go with the oiled filter. Or if you just want the oiled filter because it looks cool, you can always go with the oiled filter. And you guys have been trusting S&B for years and years and years. They've been in business for how many years now, Cayman?
50 years.
50 years. So you guys know when you see that S&B logo that you're getting quality product. If you guys are looking for an air filter for your diesel truck, hit the link in our description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. Cayman, thanks for coming out.
Thank you.